Hi guys! Welcome to iMobie channel. Sometimes, our iPhones constantly get stuck due to frozen issue. This might be caused by a software glitch, overheating, running too many apps at once, etc. But don't worry, in this video, we are going to show you 3 simple ways to solve this problem. Tip 1. Try calling your phone. It may sound crazy, but sometimes it does work. Try calling your own number from another device. It can help to wake up your iPhone and resolve the lock screen freeze. No operating skills required at all. It allows you to regain control without resorting to more complex fixes. Tip 2. Force to restart frozen iPhone. If a simple phone call still doesn't solve the frozen problem, you can do a forced restart. The steps to do this depend on your iPhone mode. This video will use iPhone 12 as an example. When your screen gets stuck, first, quickly press the volume up button. Then press the volume down button. And finally press and hold the right button to force restart the phone. After the screen goes black, press the side button and volume up button again as you see the Apple logo. Your iPhone will restart. When it is done, you can check whether your iPhone can be used normally. Tip 3. Fix iPhone frozen with AnyFix. After trying both of the methods above and your iPhone continues to be frozen, then it is time for you to try this method. It won't cause any data loss on your iPhone, plus works definitely. Launch AnyFix on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then, choose Repair Now. Next, choose Screen Stuck and click the Start Now button. Then, you can choose a mode to repair your iOS device. Here we choose the standard repair option. Click the Download button to start downloading the firmware for your iPhone. After downloading, click the Start System Repair button. After the loading, the Repair Completed page will appear as the repairing process completes. Then it is done. As you can see, your iPhone is back to the normal state again. I can access it without any problem. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you still have questions. Your like and subscribe will be a huge encouragement for us. See you next time.